this nice SAT math equation to solve. To simplify this is quite easy, because if you take a look at the answer, you're going to see a square. And what comes into mind at the first time is what? Trying to factorize this out, factorizing this and factorizing this, then combining. No, you don't have to do that, because if you take a look at the answer, you're going to see a square everywhere, meaning the answer is in a square. And if you factorize, you're going to be having a. Okay, hence don't even waste your time factorizing it, because that will be a wastage of time for no good reason. We have at least 30 seconds to solve this equation. What are you going to do here? Since you have a square at the level of the answer, what you're going to do, you just have to expand and open it out. Okay, doing that, since you have 3 everywhere, we can put 1/3 as this. Okay, we multiply by 2, that was 2a square. We multiply here minus 2a, multiply here minus 6. Okay, this other side plus what? We have a 1a square plus 2a plus 6. Okay, at this point now we can combine to have what? 1/3 into what? 2a square plus this, that is 3a square, minus 2a plus 2a will cancel out. This and this will cancel out. Hence we are left with what? 2a square plus this to have 3a square. And we have a 3 that will cancel out. We have a what? A square. And that is our answer. Hence a is automatically the answer to this question. We saw that we took less time to solve it. If you were to factorize and doing every stuff, you're going to take a lot of time. That is for no good reason. Just looking at it and finding the strategy to solve it will be easy. Okay, see you in the next video. Subscribe. Go watch the video that is coming up.